What's up, everyone? This is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In today's video, we're going to be doing a crypto news and market update. We are experiencing a dip right now. I am going to go over this and go over some other huge news as well and why I'm still bullish for April. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so before we jump into the crypto markets, I want to take a minute to thank CryptoTrader.tax for sponsoring this video. This is a tax software I use that allows you to do your crypto taxes in a matter of minutes instead of dozens of hours. I did my own crypto taxes last year. It was a huge headache trying to figure out the tax form, and then I had to spend more hours with my tax professional to make sure it was all done correctly and everything. So if you guys want to save time and maximize your tax refund, I definitely recommend checking out this software. They just rebranded their website as well. Very simple to use this. You don't actually have to pay until you want to generate the tax report. So you can create a free account here and try out the features to see what you're getting. And then you don't actually have to pay until you're getting that tax report, which you can take to your tax professional or just integrate into TurboTax for very simple taxes. So lots of great features in here. I definitely recommend checking this out. If you guys do want to use this tax software, definitely recommend using the link in the video description. This will give you 10% off once you do pay and generate that tax report, and it does give the channel a small kickback as well, so I do really appreciate that. Alright guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, we are experiencing a dip today. Some cryptos down more than others, like XRP, because that just had a huge price surge, still up 64% on the 7-day, down 14% on the 24-hour. Some smaller altcoins are down way more, 30 to 50% on some of these. This is why I always say if you're going to buy a peak price, you should be very prepared to hold this crypto long term and be willing to bear through the dips because they will happen. So we have to keep in mind the faster these cryptos go up, the harder they can crash at the same time, especially early investors that are up 20x or more in just the past few months on some of these small cap cryptocurrencies. Of course, they're going to take profit just like you would as well, especially if there's FUD or bad news. Some people will panic and sell large amounts at once, but if it is a good project with a great long-term vision, they should continue building, and the crypto should recover over time as well. Like I did state in a previous tweet, a lot of small cap cryptocurrencies have less than 10,000 holders for them. So imagine as millions of new people get into the crypto space and more investors start getting into these smaller cryptos as well. It doesn't take a lot of new investors to really push up some of these smaller altcoins 2 to 10x, which is why some of these small brand new ones go up so quickly. At the same time, we have to be very careful and do our proper research. The faster some of these cryptos go up, the more scammers that are going to be coming out. And if they're promising something that's too good to be true, they don't have a working product yet, and there's a lot of hype around it, then it's most likely something you should be very careful with. And this is why I dollar cost average into these smaller cryptos as well and buy the dips. So today is a great day for me to be picking up some of these smaller cryptocurrencies. So going all in on a cryptocurrency at a peak price is never a good idea. Sometimes this does work out, but more likely than not, there's going to be big dips where you wish you would have bought in and waited for those lower prices. So I do recommend getting as educated as possible about cryptocurrencies and investing and how to do your proper research. And to get started, I would recommend my cryptocurrency guides playlist on my channel. There's 17 videos in here currently. I'm trying to add more videos to this as frequently as possible. So I just added my altcoin strategy for huge crypto portfolio. This is how I started with 3 cryptocurrencies and now hold over 25 altcoins, being diversified and removing the stress and risk in a lot of these altcoins as well. So lots of great stuff in here. Definitely recommend going through this. Even if you aren't new to the crypto space, you could definitely pick up some value in these videos. There will be a link to this playlist in the top right of this video. So we still have Bitcoin over 1 trillion market cap alone. And we have to keep in mind it wasn't that long ago, only a matter of weeks ago, that the entire crypto space together, every coin and token combined, was barely hitting $1 trillion. So Bitcoin just hitting $1 trillion alone and holding this for the past couple weeks, I think is a great sign. This dip is actually very small compared to what we could be seeing. And as the crypto space grows, small dips are normal. That's part of the volatility, as people that invested early on are taking profits, and they usually do this when there's some sort of FUD or something that causes them to panic sell. So we will be seeing dips. That's natural and that's healthy for the crypto space. Early investors transitioning their holdings to newer investors that are willing to hold longer for a much higher price target is actually good for the crypto space. So just keep that in mind. Dips will be normal, which is why I do dollar cost averaging. I wait for these dips to buy, and as I take profits on cryptocurrencies, I put a portion of that into USDT or other stable coins, just waiting for big dips like this. So definitely recommend getting educated so you can be more successful in the long term. So we have lots of huge crypto news today I'm going to be going over. Lots of big stuff with NFTs I want to talk about as well. I think the NFT space is actually just getting started, and it's actually bringing a lot of celebrities, musicians, and artists to the crypto space, which is also getting them into cryptocurrencies. So it's a win-win in my opinion. All right, guys, so jumping into the crypto news, 5 key reasons why Bitcoin will likely see new all-time highs very soon. On-chain data suggests Bitcoin price will likely break out to new all-time highs soon as whales, miners, and long-term holders turn bullish again. So we have been talking about this. Things are looking bullish again, even though we have a small dip today. We have to keep in mind this is just a couple percent across the board here, some more than others, but Bitcoin being down only 3% is really nothing. When you zoom out and look at previous dips, we've had dips that are 20%, even up to 50%. So things are still bullish. People are taking these dips as opportunity to accumulate. And I definitely think everyone's bullish on Bitcoin breaking all-time highs. We had a lot of predictions from big companies stating that Bitcoin would hit $80,000 in April. Some predicting over $100,000 very soon as well. So we do have lots of great data here that does show things are getting bullish again. I definitely think we're going to be breaking upwards to new all-time highs for Bitcoin. This will be great for the entire crypto space as well. So whales have stopped selling as much Bitcoin. These are whale accounts with 1,000 Bitcoin or more. Massive amount of money. Long-term holders selling Bitcoin are slowing down. And then we got miners have turned into Bitcoin accumulators again. So previously miners were dumping to pay for their expenses, and now they're in the accumulation phase again, as we can see here. And then institutional demand remains high, and I do think that will continue rising. The thing with institutions is they don't like volatility like this, so they are waiting for things to stabilize and get a good buy-in. And if there are major dips, I'm sure a lot of these institutions will be taking advantage of this, as we've seen with MicroStrategy and others that keep stacking millions more of Bitcoin every time we get a big dip. So as I've stated previously, I don't hold too much Bitcoin, and this is because I see much higher profit potential in smaller cryptocurrencies, and I've definitely made much more profit on the smaller cryptos, but I do hold a small amount of Bitcoin sort of as a retirement account. Instead of putting money in a 401k or other investment avenues, I do hold Bitcoin instead, because I do think that has much higher profit potential than these other investment avenues still. And I'm talking 20 to 40 years out. So another very interesting topic here, the CEO of the biggest crypto exchange has close to 100% of his net worth in crypto, which is CZ, the owner of Binance, which is definitely the fastest growing exchange. And accumulating other crypto platforms as well. They bought out Trust Wallet, then they bought out CoinMarketCap and greatly improved that. So Binance and CZ are doing great things for the crypto space. I'm a big supporter just because of all the great things they've done, improving things and giving better utility, even creating the Binance Smart Chain for BNB, allowing people to do transactions on these swaps for less than $1 instead of $50 to $100 or even more on Uniswap on the Ethereum network. So we also have to consider that Binance earns a small percent of every cryptocurrency that's traded on their platform. Every trade is a small percent that gets paid to Binance in that cryptocurrency. So Binance probably owns a large chunk of every crypto out there just from the cryptos that have high trading volume on their platforms, and then the listing fees and everything. So very interesting. I do like that CZ has nearly his entire net worth in crypto. It shows confidence in the space, and that's what we need from a leader that's running the biggest crypto exchange. Most of my net worth is in crypto as well. And I am going to be diversifying a little bit, a couple percent into the stock market, but these are going to be cryptocurrency companies that are going public very soon, like Coinbase. Voyager has their own stock. eToro is going public. Backed, and a few other companies. So I'm very interested in investing in some of these cryptocurrency stocks as well. which I do think is going to be big throughout the end of 2021. I will be launching that stock versus crypto series very soon. If you guys do want to get signed up for the Webull platform, which is what I'm using to trade, you can trade cryptocurrencies on here and you can trade stocks in one platform. If you guys use the link to sign up for this in the video description, you will get 2 free stocks once you trade $100. So this is a platform I will be using for this trading series. It does take a little over a week to transfer money here and get things set up. So I do recommend signing up and getting that set up as soon as possible if you do want to join me on the journey doing stocks versus crypto. So we also got Coinbase's first quarter revenue hits record 1.8 billion ahead of its NASDAQ listing. Like I said, Coinbase is going public very soon. This was delayed, but it is going public now. So it's going to be very interesting to see how the Coinbase stock performs as it launches, if it's going to dump like a lot of people are predicting, or if it's going to continue rising. I do think it's very possible the Coinbase stock will be rising, especially if Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs. With this record-breaking volume that they had for just quarter one, I definitely think that's possible. So I am going to be dollar cost averaging into this. I'm not going to go in heavy at the start because I do think it's very possible it's going to dump at the launch. Personally, I don't like using the Coinbase platform either. I do prefer other platforms, but regardless, it's a great platform for new crypto users. Very simple to use and do trades. So lots of stuff with the NFT space today. And I do want to talk about this, why I don't think the NFT bubble is going to be popping. I do think for certain NFTs, like from artists that are unknown, just creating random images and everything, I don't think there's going to be a market for those type of NFTs much longer. But I do think celebrities and everything that are making NFTs, they're going to continue holding value and rising in value with time, just like regular art. So art on the blockchain, I do like this. It's bringing a lot of new people to the crypto space, which is great, helping crypto mass adoption. So Mark Cuban says NFTs could disrupt electronic signature firms. Just more use case coming to the NFT space. We're seeing all kinds of new use cases with NFTs every single week. Very interesting stuff. And I think this is going to continue. We're going to be getting other blockchain platforms doing NFTs soon as well, which will open the door to new possibilities like the Cardano blockchain once the Goguen mainnet launches and smart contracts. I definitely think by end of 2021, we're going to be seeing some very interesting stuff happening on the Cardano blockchain. So this is a very interesting use case, electronic signature firms. Mark Cuban has been big in the NFT space and investing in DeFi. So more massive NFT news today, football star Tom Brady to launch his own NFT platform. I would never have expected this. So Autograph will target some of the world's biggest names in sports, entertainment, fashion, and pop culture. Very interesting, all these new platforms that are launching and use cases coming to NFTs. I don't think NFTs are going to die out. Like I said, a lot of people are saying this is in a bubble, but as we know with art and collectibles, those just keep going up in value with time as well. So I believe this is massive for the NFT space, and it's going to help bring even more people into the crypto space. This will definitely help onboard a lot more celebrities, artists, and musicians getting into the NFT space, launching their own NFTs. So another article here, are we just scratching the surface when it comes to what NFTs are capable of? I definitely believe this, especially because right now NFTs are only on the Ethereum blockchain, while we will start seeing NFTs launching on different blockchains, like I did state with Cardano. And there will be different possibilities with these other blockchains as well. So it's going to be very interesting over the next year to 2 years to see where the NFT space is headed. If this bubble really pops like a lot of people are assuming, or if it just keeps growing and more and more celebrities and artists get into the NFT space. So very interesting stuff. Definitely excited for this. And like I did state, I will be doing an NFT video. I'm very sorry for the delay. There's just more and more stuff coming out, and I'm busy setting up other things and the platform I'm working on. So I will be getting that video out this week along with the pancake swap video. And I will be showing you guys some other Binance Smart Chain swaps as well. There's not only the pancake swap, there are some other swaps that I think are going to be moving up soon also. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family that may also find this type of content useful. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I release my daily crypto video. I've been doing one video every single day this entire year. I haven't missed a single day, and I'm going to continue this throughout all of 2021. So I do appreciate you guys subscribing and helping the channel. And don't forget, in the video description, all my recommended crypto tools and resources there, and you can earn some free crypto through some of these links as well. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.